Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Learning Channel. I am Abhirami Rajshekhar. The topic that we are going to discuss today is about LCM and HCF. What is LCM and HCF? LCM stands for lowest common multiple and HCF stands for highest common factor. But this is only an abbreviation of LCM and HCF. Most of us know the abbreviation and the steps to find LCM and HCF, but only few of us understand what LCM and HCF is actually meant. Okay friends, this video will help you to clearly understand what LCM and HCF is. Come, let's move on to the video. LCM. Let's take an example to understand this. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. To understand the definition of LCM, first we will write the abbreviation. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Let's understand it from backward. Take the word multiple. First we will write the multiples of 8 and then multiples of 12. Multiples of 8 and 12 is nothing but the 8 table and 12 table. So here the multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32 and it will go on like that. And the multiples of 12 is 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48 and again it will go on and on like that. Now let's take the next word which is common. So we want to identify the common multiples. So the common multiples of 8 and 12 is 24, 48 and 72. Let's move on to the next word, that is lowest. So among the common multiples, we want to take the lowest common multiple. This is the LCM friends. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So friends, now we have understood what is meant by LCM. LCM is the lowest common multiple of the particular two numbers. Now we will move on to the procedural steps involved in finding it. Steps to find LCM. Now let's find the LCM of 8 and 12. 8 and then 12. Both 8 and 12 are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. And then 4 and 6 are again divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now here we don't have a common factor for 2 and then 3. So we want to divide 2 separately and then 3 separately. Now first let us divide 2. 2 1s are 2. This 3 is not divisible by 2. So we want to write 3 as such. And then now we want to divide 3. 3. This 1 will be carried on and then 3 1s are 3. So we want to repeat the division until we are getting 1 1 in the last line to find the LCM. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is, we need to write the factors by which we have divided 8 and 12 here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 and then 6 4s are 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Now we will move on to HCF. Again, to understand HCF, let's take an example. Find the HCF of 8 and 12. We will write down the abbreviation of HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. Again here, we will understand HCF from backward, that is the word factor. Let's take the factor of 8 and then the factor of 12. Factor meaning the numbers which will divide 8. So here the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and then 8. Similarly, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and then 12. Using these numbers, we can divide 12. Let's move on to the next word, common. So we want to take the common factors. The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. So HCF is the highest common factor. Let's move on to the next word, highest. What is the highest common factor of 8 and 12? It's the number 4. So, the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. So, friends, now we have understand what is meant by HCF. HCF is the highest common factor of the given two numbers. So, we want to first list down the factors of the given numbers and we want to find the common factors. Among that, the highest common factor is the HCF of the given two numbers. Now, we will move on to the procedural step involved in finding HCF. Now, let's find the HCF of 8 and then 12. 8 and 12. Both 8 and 12 are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. Again, 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. We don't have a common factor to divide 2 and then 3. So, we want to stop the factorization here. And the HCF of 8 and 12 is, we need to take the common factors. That is, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. So, friends, taking the same two numbers 8 and then 12, we have learned how to find the LCM and HCF of these two numbers and its definition. Hope this video is helpful for you. Stay tuned to Crazy Learning channel. Thank you.